I've had this puppy in every vehicle I've ever owned since I've been 16. His name's Doggy.
No, his name's...
We're just passing through Hope. We crushed some Triple O burgers, and now we got a 3-hour drive to the cabin. There's 2 feet of snow, I think.
I don't know.
Who knows, man? How have you guys been?
How have you been?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Yeah, enough about you. We've been great, so we'll see you there. Guys, I'm savage, dude.
Wow.
Yeah.
They're
Looks
doing
like-
a fabulous job at putting this stuff together.
Randomly in the middle of Princeton is this dollar store called the Looney Bin, and randomly enough they sell really good donuts, so we picked up a
Really
few
good.
and we're going to eat them now.
There we got Looney Bin donuts here. Honey cruller. 1 bite, everyone knows the rules. Wow.
What's the rating?
It's like just over half baked. It's nice and squishy. 7.6. It's really good.
All right.
Like solid donut. Then we got this honkin' frickin' 1 pound apple fritter. Really good visuals on this one.
No.
It's like an apple pie in a donut, dude. It's like better than apple pie. I'd choose this over apple pie. 8.5.
Nice.
8.5. That's a review.
Wow. That's
That's a
how
review.
good it is.
Made it to the cabin. Truck might need a wash, eh?
I'm car sick. Been
No,
car
you're
sick.
sleepy. It's about 2 feet of snow here. So this will be fun, trying to get to the house. We've gone the other way. There's the old crapper. Nice. Oh, is there a path here? There's a path. It's slippery though. No! Don't fall. Is it slippery?
Yeah.
It's not home, dude. Welcome to the cabin. All right, first things first when you get to the cabin.
Oh, lucky, lucky.
Gotta go for broke.
My turn, my turn.
We need this. We need this. Ah.
Dang.
Well, I guess we gotta go home. Just kidding. First things first. Gotta turn the water on. I think it's this one. It must be this one. It's got an orange thing on it. Sounds promising.
We have 6 avocados.
6 avocados?
Yeah.
Crazy, man. Guess I'm having avocado toast. Part 2, turn on the hot water tank. I wonder which one it is. Step 3, start a fire, because it's freezing. Step 4, say hi to Nigel. Hi, Nigel.
Hi.
It's my dad. Just chilling. What you doing?
I'm just gonna open the garage so that I can walk through here instead of going on the side. It's just
Right.
kinda wet. I got a new toilet seat for the outhouse.
Really?
Soft.
Plush?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Just squishy.
Nigel is building the ultimate mansion outhouse. Step 4, go say hi to the outhouse, see what improvements have been made. We actually have a toilet here, but you always got to do the first use of the toilet in the outhouse. And I just bought this new underwater camera for fishing. Holy, this thing's insane. Wow.
So we're just gonna sink that bad boy down, hold on to something here, and just
Cool.
and then just watch it.
Step 5, have a beer. Non-alcoholic, preferably.
Oh man,
No, really?
All right, this is a Clearbrook blueberry streusel pudding cake.
it's like a lemon cake, but it's blueberry.
What's the review? What's the rating?
It's a 10.
A 10.
No, you can't have 10. You got to. It's
Yeah?
a 9.
Okay,
9
good, good.
because yeah,
Almost a rookie score there.
and it
Soft.
stays together. It's got good form.
Wow. 7.6.
Yeah, it's
That with like
even
a cream
fair.
cheese icing. Good night. Time for bed. What do we got here, Maddie?
We have a pocket pour over.
Wow.
It's coffee in a little tea bag.
Looks like a plant should grow out of it.
It does.
A little sprout. All right, how's the crossword?
The crossword is soft.
No way. Okay, we've had our nice chill morning. Now we're gonna get ready for ice fishing. Ready to fish tip up kit with a little ice scooper and a fishing rod and everything. And we got an auger, so I'm gonna go see if we can get some rainbows.
First things first, let's get warm.
All right, gotta grab some gear. How's it going in there? I don't have much experience ice fishing. I have no experience, actually, to be exact. If you ice fish, let me know in the comments. What do we think? This little guy? Looks like a grub. That or a couple other grubs here that might work. What do we got here? Another one of Nigel's purchases. Double-sided magnet fishing kit with grappling hook. Wow, you're gonna find some treasures in the lake. Who's that?
Hey, who are you?
I'm Ryan.
I don't know what to say.
Should I just park at the boat launch? You're pretty.
Thanks.
I'm just gonna make sure the ice is thick enough so we don't plunge to our death.
Freaking out.
I feel like it's been pretty cold up here. People are fishing last weekend. Holy. You can fish till frickin' July here. Jeez. All right, well, we got at least like a foot. Yeah, I think we're gonna be all right.
This is stupid.
Rock bottom. And then.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, nice.
Be like 14, 16
So-
inches. You strain this string? Oh, nice. It's good looking soup. Okay, hole number 2.
It goes through here, and then you pick this, or this for the angle.
Oh. Oh, wow, that's cool. That's genius. You can't see anything.
Oh, you can see
There we
so
go.
much. You
See your face.
Traveling, and when I hit the bottom,
So it was about 75 feet deep out there at least. So we're gonna try shallower because we want, I don't know, 10 to 20 feet.
okay,
All right, we're at 30 feet.
about 30 feet.
So we got Maddie's
I wonder if
A little wormy.
the angle of
Oh,
the
there's a
lens
fish.
to a greater angle. All right, I'll be right back.
Pretty big boy right there. There's fish swimming right around you. Keep jigging. We got a hot tip from Larry up here that by the ski pole is a good spot. Let's see what treasures await us. Just dropped to 70 feet, saw a big boy swim by. Bottom. If you were a fish, you'd eat that for sure, dude. Hey!
I brought you snack.
No way. What'd you bring me?
You.
Crossword
Banana.
puzzle. Nice.
I brought you a goodie bag.
Whoa! What's in it?
Your blueberry pudding bar, blackberries,
Wow.
peanut butter pretzels, and one blackberry.
Wow, the girl of my dreams. It's been about 3 hours now. We'll alert you if anything happens. All right, it's a YouTube video, so you know what that means. Maddie's chickpea curry is gonna make an appearance. Can't wait. No fish, but this looks way better than a trout. All right, Nigel says I have to try the sardines that he bought. Why are these so good?
I don't know. They're just because they're tiny little fish. They spent their whole lives growing up so you eat.
Makes sense. I didn't catch fish, so my punishment is eat this.
Punishment.
Dude, this looks terrible.
No, they're great. I eat at least one of those a week, maybe two.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
The bottom of it, there's some sludge down there. I don't know what's going on. I don't even ask. It looks like it used to be an onion or something.
Well, it was a good weekend, but we're heading out from the cabin today. Just gonna restock the wood supplies. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully we can finally catch a fish on this channel soon. We'll be making more videos as spring warms up and we get to go out. And we got some big surprises coming your way. So stay tuned for new things we may have purchased and new fun times we're gonna have. Thanks.
Hi, guys. Hi. Hi. Oh my gosh, Ryan. I love the cows. Hi. Did you see the cows?
No, I didn't see them.